Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you what are the different types of load combinations we need to consider before designing of any kind of the structure. So firstly, I will explain you the load cases. So after that, I will explain you the load combinations. So before designing of any kind of the building which is related to your ground story or first story or G+2 or any kind of the structure, we have to apply the load cases. There are different types of load cases are there as per the considerations. So we have to consider the dead loading condition, live loading condition, seismic loading condition as well as wind loading condition. So along with that, we have different types of the load cases are there which is related to your snow load condition, other load condition, floor load condition. So we have to take major load cases for designing of any kind of the building. Okay, so dead load is nothing but your own weight of the structure, live load is nothing but except the structural member, remaining load will be comes under your live loading condition. Seismic load is in the sense earthquake load which is comes from x direction as well as your y direction condition. So next one is wind load, which is also similar to that of the respected earthquake load, which is act in x direction as well as y direction. Next one is snow load. So snow is also one of the most important topic. So we have to consider before designing of any kind of the structure. Okay. So next one is floor load condition. So except the structural members weight, so we have to insert the floors. So we have to consider the floor load before designing of any kind of the structure. Okay. So next one is load combinations. Load combinations is nothing but combination of two or more load cases with a suitable value of safety factor. So for designing of any kind of the structure, we have to consider the safety factor is 1.5. Okay, so but that respected safety factor is related to your respected load, some load cases only. Okay, so that respected 1.5 factor is related to your respected some load cases only. Okay, so for example, just I am taking major load cases which is related to your dead loading condition. Second one is live loading condition. Third one is earthquake load in x direction condition. Fourth one is earthquake load in y direction condition. Fifth one I will consider wind load in x direction condition, as well as sixth one we have to consider wind load in y direction condition. So earthquake load will be as per IS 1893-2005 code and wind load will be considered as per IS 875 code. Okay, so we have to consider the load intensities for that respected values. Okay, so depending upon the load intensities and depending upon the loading conditions, we have to apply those respective load cases for that respective structure. Okay, for example, just I am considering this respective 6 load cases for designing of my G+4 building. So I need to consider the load combinations. After applying the load cases, we have to apply the load combinations. Okay, now I will show you that respected load combinations on the left hand side screen. Please follow that respected left hand side screen also. Okay, first load combination is dead load plus live loading condition. So dead load plus live loading condition is one combination, but we have to give the factor of safety. So we have to take 1.5 times of your dead loading condition plus live loading condition. So 1.5 times of dead load plus 1.5 times of live loading condition. We have to consider first load combination for designing of any kind of the structure. Okay. Second load combination which is related to your respected dead load, live load, wind load. Okay, dead load plus live load plus just I am considering wind load in x direction condition. So which is the combination dead load plus live load plus wind load in x direction condition. We have to take the safety factor. So which is related to your respected 1.2 times of dead load plus 1.2 times of live load plus 1.2 times of wind load in x direction. So this is the second load combination we have to consider. Third load combination is related to your wind load in y direction condition. So we have to consider the addition of dead load, live load and wind load in a y direction condition with the factor of 1.2. Okay, please remember 1.2 is the factor. We have to multiply that respected factor with the combination of your dead load, live load, wind load in y direction condition. So 1.2 times of dead load plus 1.2 times of live load plus 1.2 times of wind load in y direction condition. So this is the third one. So next load combination is related to your earthquake loading condition. So initially I will consider that respected earthquake load in x direction condition. So I will take dead load plus live load plus earthquake load in x direction condition with the factor of 1.2. We have to multiply this respected factor of 1.2 for this respected 3 parameters. 1.2 times of dead load plus 1.2 times of live load plus 1.2 times of earthquake loading condition in x direction. Okay, so this is the fourth factor we have to consider. Next, fifth factor is related to your earthquake load in y direction condition. So 1.2 times of dead load plus live load plus earthquake load in y direction condition. So which is nothing but the 1.2 times of dead load plus 1.2 times of live load plus 1.2 times of earthquake load in y direction condition. So this is the fifth factor we have to consider before designing of any kind of the structure. Okay, next load cases will be comes under your respected 0.9 factor. So sixth load combination is related to your combination of your dead load, live load as well as wind load in x direction condition. So we have to take the addition of dead load initially, live load secondly, wind load in x direction third case. Okay, so we have to give the multiplication of 0.9 is the factor for this respected sixth combination. Okay, 0.9 times of dead load plus 0.9 times of live load plus 0.9 times of wind load in x direction condition. So this is the sixth parameter. Okay, so seventh one is related to your respected wind load in y direction condition. So we have to take dead load plus live load plus wind load in y direction with the factor of 0.9. So which is 0.9 times of dead load plus 0.9 times of live load plus 0.9 times of wind load in y direction condition. So this is the seventh parameter we have to take. So after that we have to take the parameters which is related to your earthquake load in x direction condition. Again we have to take in earthquake load in y direction condition also. Eighth one is combination of your respected dead load plus live load plus earthquake load x direction condition with the factor of 0.9. So we have to consider this respected parameter as the eighth. So 0.9 times of dead load plus 0.9 times of your live load plus 0.9 times of your earthquake load in x direction condition. We have to take this as eighth parameter. So next one is ninth parameter, so which is related to your respected earthquake load in y direction condition. So we have to take 0.9 times of dead load plus live load plus earthquake load in y direction condition. So we have to take the parameters which is related to your dead load, live load and earthquake load in y direction with the factor of 0.9. Okay, so 0.9 times dead load plus 0.9 times of your respected live load plus 0.9 times of your respected earthquake load in y direction condition. So this is the ninth parameter we have to consider before designing of any kind of the structure. Okay, so these are the major 9 parameters we have to consider before designing of the structure. Okay, these 9 parameters of load combinations is only applicable for the load cases of dead load, live load, wind load and seismic load. So these are the 4 load cases and these are the parameters for this respected designing of any kind of the respected structure. If you have any queries about the load combinations, please text me in the below comment box. I will give you the answers for that respected questions. Thank you.